are you? Thank you so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up my favorite snack subscription, Variety Fun. I am so excited. This box is always so good. So let me tell you a little bit about Variety Fun and then we will get unboxing my snacks. So Variety Fun, like I said, is a snack subscription. They offer two different subscription plans. They have the Fun Box, which is what we will be opening today, which is $24.99 and you get 40 snacks, and they consider them like classic snacks. And you can either get this twice a month or once a month. There's free shipping with all subscriptions. And then there's also the Fit Box, which has like more healthier snacks. It's a little bit more expensive and you get less product. So it is $39.99, again with free shipping, and you get 30 snacks. So I do have a code that will save you 30% off your first box, so if you are interested, definitely take advantage of that. It is not affiliated or anything like that, it's just to help you guys out. I think this is such a great box, especially for those who have like kids at home that bring their lunches to school, or maybe you who bring your lunch to work. It's always nice to have snacks in the house as well, and they have such a variety that I think there's something for everyone in the family. I do not have kids and I work from home, and I love this subscription and I get a lot of use out of it, and it is so fun to open and so yummy too. I love the variety that they send each month, so I'm super stoked to see what we have. So I'm going to link them down below along with that promo code if you're interested, and I'm also going to link down below an active giveaway I have going on. So if you have not yet entered, that ends at the end of the month. So if you want to enter that, watch that video after this one, but let's get started. How fun is their box? I love seeing this in the mail. Open up the box. This is what it looks like. So it's just jam-packed with snacks. And it says, taste, explore, enjoy. So I'm just gonna show you all 40 snacks. Let's get started. So the first thing I see right on top is a traditional Chex Mix. Always loved that. My favorite are like the brown little parts. And then we have the Pirate's Booty Aged White Cheddar Rice and Corn Puffs. Ooh, Doritos Nacho Cheese. We have some Cheez-It Original Crackers. By the way, you guys have to let me know down below what your favorite is that I open, or what your favorite snack in general is. I just love talking about food. And then we have Andy Cap's Hot Fries. These are really good. They're not like too hot, but they're a good amount of spice. Ooh, we have some Keebler bite-sized cookies. These are made with mini M&Ms. Archer's in the room now if you hear anything in the background. We have some Oreo minis. Some Pop Chips Potato and Barbecue. I love these. These are a great alternative to chips. They're only 100 calories and so good. We have some classic Lay's. We have a bar here by Akoa, Pure Coconut Natural Dried Fruit Bar. I don't think I've ever had this before. I'm excited to try that out. Ooh, we have a watermelon airhead. That sounds so good. I'm totally into watermelon, like everything, like fragrance, like taste. We have some Planters Salted Nuts. We have another airhead in flavored cherry. Oh, we have another bar by Akoa, but it's in pure banana. I love getting bars because they're easy to like throw in your bag when you're on the go, and maybe when you're really like starting to get hangry, you can't grab food elsewhere. That's always nice to have. And then we have another Planters Salted Nuts. I'm watching my cat. I know he's gonna jump up and try and eat the plants. No, Archie. It was my cat's birthdays yesterday. The two, I was gonna call them the twins. They are. Archer and Fiona turned 4 and Emmy turned 3. Oh my god, fruit by the foot. I haven't had this since I was a kid. This is such a throwback. See how it's like the classic snacks in this subscription? It says color by the foot, triple fruit punch. So this is exciting. Ooh, I love these. Nutter Butter Bites. Love peanut butter cookies and peanut butter in general. Ooh, mini Chips Ahoy. Yum, Cocoa Puff cereal bars. I haven't had one of these in a while. I've tried like the Cinnamon Toast Crunch one. I don't know if I've tried the Cocoa Puffs. It sounds really good. We have Cheez-It Snapped and cheddar, sour cream, and onion. Yum! I haven't tried this flavor before. I have heard about the Cheez-It Snapped. I don't know if I've even tried the regular, but sour cream and onion, cheddar, they're like my favorite flavors. Oh, we have another cereal bar. It's the Fruity Cheerios cereal bar. We have some Teddy Graham crackers in classic honey flavor. We have Vanilla Wafer Mini Cookies by the Pure Sweetness Baking Company. We have another set of cookies by that same company, but these are chocolate chip mini cookies. I think I say this every time, but cookies are my favorite treat. And we've got plenty more in here, yes. We've got a pack of 6 Oreos. Oh, and then we have a little baby Oreo. Like maybe if I can try and practice portion control. So there's 2 cookies in this one. We have a Kellogg's Rice Krispies treat in original. And I love how there's a little heart here so you can write a little note to your kid or whoever, your loved one, in their lunch. Here we have Goldfish Baked Snack Crackers and extra cheddar. Ooh, yay! We got a Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal bar. I love Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Couldn't tell you last time I actually had a bowl of cereal, but that is what I think of when I think of yummy cereal, so I can't wait to eat that. We have another Kellogg's Rice Krispie treat in original. Ooh, we have another Cheez-It Snap, but this is in flavor double cheese. I'm really excited to eat these. Yum. We have several of these like sandwich crackers, so let's see what the first one is. So Austin is the brand, and it's PB&J. Wow, I don't think I've tried this kind before. And then we have cheddar cheese. Another cheddar cheese. And another PB&J. Still have several things to go. We have a Nutri-Grain bar and strawberry. We have 2 different Twizzlers here, both in strawberry flavor. And then the last 2 items, these are by Betty Crocker. I don't think I've had these before. Oh man, yum. Naturally flavored butterscotch oatmeal bar. I love butterscotch. And then the last item is a Betty Crocker chocolate chip oatmeal bar. So those are all our treats for March. I can't wait to eat these, and I'm also very grateful I got this box now that I know, you know, the chaos in the world and going to the grocery store is a little bit more hectic now. It's nice to get some food and treats in the mail, and it also is fun to open and brings a smile to my face. So if you guys are interested, again, all the information will be down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing this with me. I hope you're all safe and happy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.